Precious Lee is a 32-year-old American plus-sized model. Precious rose into fame and limelight for her fashion, which she uploads on her Instagram account, Preciously Xoxo. She is a plus-sized model who has gained widespread popularity for her pioneering work in garnering wide exposure for Black plus-sized women. Moreover, Precious started out on Instagram just for fun and as a part of a trend, but little did Precious know that she would have more than 271,000 people following Precious on Instagram alone. Precious Lee was born on September 13, 1989, in United States. Precious is of African American descent. Precious Lee appears to be reserved about her family history, so Precious has not mentioned anything about her parents until now. Ever since Precious was a kid, she was passionate about fashion. As we all know that, Precious Lee has accumulated lots of fame and popularity over the years. So, isn't it obvious that Precious's followers would want to know about Precious's relationship and romantic life? But, unfortunately, Precious Lee has barred her personal life from public attention. Net worth, thus, evaluating all her income streams, explained above, over the years, and calculating it, Precious Lee's net worth is estimated to be around $100,000 to $200,000.